Ayan. So, I understand this film was shot like last year. Ganyan. Parang fresh from what we have seen. Ganyan. Parang how do you feel yung effort and hard work that you poured into this film translating into what we have just seen earlier?
Thank you so much, Chicanes Av.
Unang-una po, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga tao na nandito po ngayon. Talagang, ang tagal po namin pinaghihirapan ni Kira to. Tsaka talagang, alam naman natin lahat na ang hirap, sobrang hirap buwan ng pelikula ngayon. Kaya sobrang grabe yung taos-pusong pasasalamat ko na natuloy itong Maple Leaf Dreams na to. Kaya maraming salamat talaga po sa inyo. Hindi ako titigil na maging thankful po. Tsaka, syempre, sa mami ko, wala lang si mami ngayon dito ngayon. Pero I love you so much, mami. At para sa inyo po to. Tsaka, para sa inyong lahat po to. Kaya, maraming salamat bro sa mga pupunta. Yun, kaya, ayun. I hope na nagustuhan nyo po. Tsaka sana i-share nyo po sa mga pamilya nyong OFW din. Thank you.
Thank you, LA. Ako naman, the question was how I felt, no? I'm overflowing with gratitude right now. Alam mo, yung marinig ko, yung reaction ng mga tao na nandito ngayon, I just feel so happy na I hope that you guys liked it. So, I hope that, you know, may mga OFW po na mapapanood itong movie namin and they will see it as a tribute. Ayun lang. But I'm overflowing with joy. I'm so happy that everybody got to see it. And ayun lang. Thank you.
Tsaka gusto ko na rin magpasalamat sa mga cast na nandito ngayon. Kundi dahil sa inyo, di rin mabubuo yung movie na to. Tsaka sobrang galing po yung binigay nila. Hindi biro yung pinagdaanan namin para dito. Tsaka hindi biro yung pinagdaanan din ng mga OFW.
Thank you, LA. Magaling naman na yung sumakit.
Okay naman na.
Hindi naman na masakit.
Mas masakit pa din pag nawala si Molly. Yun.
Ayoko na nga.
Thank you, Albert. Were we able to satisfy your question? Thank you. Next, we have...
My question po is
Good evening.
Good evening. Cesar from Net 25 po. Ang question ko po for my Bea Rose. Opo. Ito na po ba yung pagbabalik niya na po talaga sa showbiz po?
I thank you for that wonderful question. Yes po, nandito na po ako, almost a year. I'm just so thankful. I was just telling her nga na nandito ako sa showing because nasa Canada po ako nung na-invite po ako to join the movie and I was just so blessed kasi kaka-transplant ko lang po nun. So, emotional pa from the gamot. So, thank you po, Direk, and thank you for the cast. I had so much fun and totoo po, mga friends ko po yung nakita niyong testimonial. Ako po ay isang product ng lumaking OFW at lumipat sa Canada. So lahat po ng achievements ko galing po yun sa sakripisyo ng nanay ko at marami pang immigrants na ganun din po yung storya. So thank you, Direk, and to all those who made this movie reality because I am a product of this story.
Miss Bea, as of now po, dito na po kayo for good or you're coming back?
Yes, for good po. But syempre, pagamot din po ulit sa Canada. Tapos, my heart is pure Pinoy. So, I am dito talaga ako. Forever!
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Bea.
Thank you. Same with Bea. Mom ko ay nagtatrabaho ng for 16 years na rin. So, iba rin ang kirot, iba rin ang kurot ng pelikula. Maraming salamat, Direk. Uwi na nga ako.
Hindi ka uuwi.
Ay, hindi pa.
Dito ka lang.
Next! Ayun, sige. Maraming salamat, sir. Up next, we have from Daily Tribune, Danny.
Sir
Hello po.
Danny.
Nandiyan po pala kayo?
I didn't even know I was going to ask. Where's Direk? Is that Direk? Oh, yeah. Hello there. No, I'm so impressed. You were saying something about the two guys, what's this? And Kira. Kira and, oh, yeah. You said yung, ano ba yung description mo sa kanila, kala nila hindi nila kaya o hindi nila alam na kaya nila. Tapos, I'm so amazed kasi parang kung alam mo yung units ng ng isang acting yung isang acting scene, parang siguro naman hindi nila nakikita. Pero nakita ko kay sabi ko, nakita ko kay LA. Sabi ko, parang tinuro niya yun. Did they go to a workshop? Kasi parang alam na niya yung units niya sa beats niya. But of course, the ones who did not study that month will not notice na, wow, iba yun, bawat pag-change ng emotions, konti lang, nababago niya yung intensity ng voice, whatever. Tinuro niyo, pinag-aralan niyo ba yun in that short of time?
They had workshops kay Direk Gina Alahar, kay Tita Malu, silang dalawa, si LA. Aside from that, they had immersions. And every time I work with actors, pinapahirapan ko naman talaga sila. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, I make my actors, make the characters worth it. Diba? If you're given a character...
Nakaka-feel ng dalawa. Kasi I've seen them in other movies and they were young. Dito sabi ko ba, marunong pala talaga umarte. So, it was your work.
I think it's... they're very good actors and the proof of that, sa Sinag Maynila nakatatapos lang, LA was nominated for Best Actor. And tatlo lang, there were 7, 8 films and there were a lot of actors. Tatlo lang silang na-nominate.
Wow.
Okay. Tinalo po sila ni Tinalo sila ni Ronnie Lazaro, pero okay naman siguro na yun, no? Ronnie Lazaro yun. Pero yun, siya si Tony, na actor ko rin before sa ML. And Kira, dalawa lang silang nominated. There were a lot of actresses there. Pero si Kira lang at saka si Miss Rebecca Chuanzu ang dito na nominate. So it says
would
something
the box
about
office
our
be
actors.
affected? How you made the ending not that happy? I was not imagining a happy ending. I was imagining you're going to make it painful because, well, that's what being being an OFW is, that there's so much pain. So I thought you were going to show that until, in the end. But would box office be affected if you made it a happy ending?
Actually, we try to make it real. If you look at the Filipinos there, matugulat ka. My wife, after 2 years, may kotse na siya. Some of the people working there after 2 years, 3 years, talagang bumibili silang sasakyan for mobility. Tapos, that's the life there yung may asenso. So, it's a lot of Filipinos there, happy. Malungkot kasi malayo ka sa bansa mo Pero, that's the struggles they have to face for their families.
Kaya may kurot kasi very talaga siya, realistic. Thank you. Thank you, sir, sa madamdaming question. More question?
Yes, up next we have Ate Kate at the heart from Random Republica. Ate Kate.
Miss Kate. Okay, she's here. I
May
got you.
nagre-recite.
May delay yung mic tsaka yung boses mo, Miss Kay. So, ipapa-experience namin sa'yo yung delay. Try it.
Correct.
Thank you. Question lang for Hannah, nagsulat. How does it feel to watch the film now? I think this is your second time na may nagbago pa. And what was the best feedback na nakuha mo? Wala yata siyang may mic yata ni Hannah. Sorry.
May mic pala ako.
Hello po. Siguro, yung script din po for this film is very dynamic. Iba siya dun sa original. Then yung sa script, habang nag-shoot sila sa Canada. So, during the shooting, sobrang dami rin yung nagbago. Dahil may na-encounter din silang stories in Canada that is worth keeping for the film. So, it's a magical experience na makitang mag-grow yung story into something more authentic and close to the heart ng Filipinos sa Canada. Ayun po.
Yung feedback, best feedback na na-receive mo. Ay.
Best feedback, probably is yung mga people din na close sa akin because I have a lot of family, relatives na abroad din. So, for them to say na nakikita nila yung sarili nila dun sa film is already good enough for me. But I hope we're able to inspire a lot more people through this film. Ayun po. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Hannah.
you, Hannah, one of our writers.
Naramdaman mo na din, Hannah, yung delay.
Yung delay, no?
Yung-
May bagal eh.
Miss
Parang
Kay, naramdaman
sinasabayan
mo
ni
rin.
Hannah eh.
Oo. Kaya feeling namin ang bagal namin magsalita kasi yung boses.
Nakaslow.
If ever you i-try nyo, sige, more questions.
Taas po kayo
Ayun,
naman.
gusto ma-try ni Ma'am.
Magko-question po or gusto lang ma-experience?
May questions siya.
Magko-question.
Hello!
Hi, I'm Ika from Team Pichag. Anyone can answer. Oh nga, may delay. Okay. The film shows challenges, problems, difficulties that are unique to the OFW experience. For audiences who are not familiar with this experience, what would you want them to take away after seeing the movie?
Muna po si Sir Jong muna.
LA, bakit pag mahirap yung questions? Ano to? Seniority. Well, the takeaway that we want the viewers to experience is that, ano nga ba? And then, of course, ang hirap nga yung hirap ng buhay ng OFW. And plus, of course, based on my character in the movie, makikita mo yung difference talaga ng social standing ng mga, well, it's hard to say, na Pilipino, isipin mo kamag-anak ko na si Chong, si Joey noon, pero the way I treated him, because only I was a bit more moneyed than him. So parang makikita mo talaga yung difference in society. And then it forces someone to leave para lang ma-improve yung buhay nung tatay niya. Parang ganun siguro. Hopefully, we get that message across. That's one. LA?
Thank you, Sir Jong.
Kayo po kasi, umalis tuloy kami ni Molly ng Pinas dahil sa inyo yun eh.
Naway niyo po eh.
Siguro rin ako yung biggest takeaway ko sa movie or kay Maki mismo is malaking bagay talaga yun, nandyan ka para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Kasi syempre lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang pinagdadaanan. Kaya kahit simpleng I love you lang or simpleng kamusta ka, talagang malaking bagay na yun. Kaya sana yun din yung ma-take away ng mga tao na after ng movie nito, sasabihan na nila yung crush nila na I love you.
Noted.
Akin ka na lang.
Noted yan.
Dinakdakan. Kanisha!
Ito dinakdakan.
Thank you, LA!
Thank you, LA.
Ang hirap naman sundan ni Kuya. Natatawa lang ako. So, nung nag-shoot po sila gabi yung delay, no? Parang,
Diba, girl?
Sabi.
Yeah, sorry, ang hirap magsalita.
Mag-focus ako. Okay, nag-shoot talaga sila sa Canada and na-experience ko yung somehow na merong malapit sa...
I got you.
Hindi na sa delay. Hindi na po delay at all. Nag-give up na po ang ating mic. Okay, let's watch this na lang.
Magical.
Hello? Sir? Hello?
Overtime na daw tayo.
29 pa lang po. Hanggang 10 po tayo dito, sir.